Hey guys, welcome back. If you're wondering why I'm out here right now and not in the kitchen, I'm actually out here trying to get some nudes with my boy Cletus here.
Alright, what's up?
So, Cletus,
Yeah?
you sure there's gonna be nudes out here?
Well, there be a place to get news. This here be the place to get it. Right over yonder.
So we're gonna be getting lots of nudes, right?
That's right. Hey, right, boy.
Yeah, what's up?
Look at them there, over there yonder. There they are.
Oh yeah, look, I see them. Look at that. It's a small herd of nudes grazing in the trees. Hey man, Cletus, you gonna get them or what? Come on. Oh, okay. Yeah, yep. Yep, do your thing. Ooh, did you get them?
Got 'em.
Oh damn, Cletus, you got them.
Told you we'd be getting some news today.
Oh wow, what a shot. I'll tell you what, Cletus, now that was impressive.
Now, this here ain't nothing. It'll only be about 10 yards out. I'll tell you what, my great-grandpappy can hit about out to 15. I believe that.
Just take a look at this. Wow, absolutely stunning. Probably the most beautiful nude I've ever seen in my life. Now we're just gonna need like 50 of these. So now that we got our hands on some nudes, I'm gonna show you guys what to do with them to make some real nice pan-fried noodles. Okay, so first you're gonna have to resist the urge to just throw it in your rice cooker and be done with it. That's not quite how it works. Okay, let's take a look at our ingredients. First, you're gonna need our big boy shallots here. Okay, they're gonna be like a major player in this dish, so make sure you have plenty of these. Next, we're gonna have our green onions here. There we go. And they're gonna be more of like a extra little flavoring and a garnish here. Next, we have our lovely nudes. Now, make sure your nudes are alkaline noodles, alright? And I'll explain why later. And then, we're gonna have just one piece of chili pepper here. There we go. Next, we're going to use the old soy sauce. Now, I'm using the less sodium option because I'm not about that hypertension life. And finally, we'll use some sugar. Now, you can use whatever sugar you want, but I'm just a poor rice boy, so I'll be using that cheap gutter sugar. And that's all you need. Pretty easy, super lightweight. Now, let's get started. First, we're going to boil some water. Now, if you don't know how to boil water, shame on you. Go check out episode 2 where Rice Boy shows you how to make water hot. Alright, so we're going to be cooking our noodles first. Make sure your water is boiling before you drop your nudes in there. And you're going to want to keep an eye on your nudes and just keep stirring them to keep them from clumping. Now, I don't have a lot of time to explain why you want to use alkaline noodles, but in short, you want the water to be at a certain pH to prevent the noodles from melting and getting all sad and gloopy. Anyways, I'll link a really good article about the science behind this below. Now, most noodles you find in Asian stores should generally be alkaline, but in the rare case that you can't get your hands on some, there's a small hack where you could put like a teaspoon of baking soda into the water just to increase the alkalinity just by a bit. But that's one of those things you have to be like really careful with, so I just recommend getting the right nudes. But anyways, every nude is different, and you're going to want to just follow the cooking instructions on the package. Now let's check our nudes. They should be done now. It's all nice and floppy here. Lovely. Alright, so let's go ahead and drain our noodles here. Now this is allowed because it's not rice. And we're going to shake it out just a bit, and we're going to just put it in a nice little cold water bath. Just give it a good stir. Now the reason why we want to run our noodles through cold water is not only to wash the starch off so it doesn't get clumpy, but more importantly is to massage the noodles just a bit to get them to firm up so that we can get that nice bouncy and chewy texture. Now you don't have to do this for all noodles like ramen noodles. But the ones that you want to do for this is like thicker ones, thicker wheat noodles like udon, and like the ones I'm using here. Once we're done with that, we'll just go ahead and shake it out real good, and then just kind of hang it out to dry here. There we go. Alright, let's prepare our other ingredients. Let's go ahead and just dice our big boy shallots here. And also just cut up really fine pieces of chili. And then we're going to dice up our green onions. Now we don't have to worry about separating the white and the green parts because they're all going to go in together. Alright, let's go ahead and put our oil down here. Go ahead and just heat up our oil. Alright, so once the oil is nice and heated, we're going to go ahead and put our shallots in. Just the shallots now. So you want to be mindful about keeping your heat to about medium or medium low so that you don't burn the shallots. Because if you burn the shallots, it's going to turn really, really bitter, okay? Alright, now that we got a nice brown on our shallots, we're going to go ahead and put our soy sauce in and give it a nice roast. You can see that color already changing. And again, be mindful of your heat so that you don't burn any of this, okay? Alright, we're going to go ahead and put down some sugar next. Now this is going to give a nice glaze on our nudes here, and also give it a nice mellow flavor. Alright, now that we have our nice sauce here, we're going to go ahead and put in our nudes. Lovely. And the reason why we want to drain our nudes real good is so that all that nice flavorful oil can get soaked up by the noodle. Just go ahead and just stir it real good. Make sure everything's all mixed up together. Okay, now that everything is nice and mixed, let's put our chili in. Now the reason why we're putting it now is because if we put the chili in with the oil first, the sugar that gets added afterwards will actually counteract the spiciness of the chili. Now that's why we're putting the chili in after the sugar, to preserve that nice kick from the chili, okay? Alright, finally, let's go ahead and put our green onions in there. Now we're not going to cook it too long, just enough for the green onions to get that flavor in there, get slightly cooked, but not so long that it's going to get all brown and yellow and all wrinkly on us here. Now go ahead and just toss it for a nice good 30 seconds and it should be done. Lovely. Alright, let's go ahead and plate this bad boy here. Look at that. And there it is, super easy and tasty nudes. Now this is already good by itself, but it's also a super versatile base dish where you can add whatever sauce or topping that you want and it'll go with anything pretty much. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed Rice Boy showing off his nudes, and if y'all like them nudes, be sure to do that, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.